How to sell your home in 5 days or less. I couldn't resist the cheesy subtitle. But seriously, selling your home this quickly is partly based on luck. And I believe we make our own luck. Price your house right. Know your market. What are comparable homes selling for? What percentage of the asking price do they sell at? Every surface must be dust-free and shiny clean. No cracks, dimples, or paint chips on the walls. No clutter, anywhere. Floors, clean, shiny, debris-free. If you have an asphalt, stamped, or specialty concrete driveway, seal it. Landscaping and lawn freshly manicured. Kitchen, toaster, sinks and faucets shined. No dishes in sink or drying tray. Counters wiped. Freshly vacuumed floors, carpets, stairs. Aged, marked, or damaged furniture is either tossed, repaired, or temporarily exiled to a friend's garage, basement. Make sure your rooms look as spacious as possible. Temporarily relocating some items may be necessary. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information on how to sell your home, call Dominic direct at 732-766-3256 or send an email to dominic.leone@foxroach.com to discuss your real estate needs.